Hello, myself I am Dr. Priya Jain, Managing Director of UVS Ayurveda, Bangalore. Heel pain may be due to number of reasons, maybe plantar fasciitis, calcaneal spur and many other reasons. Today I will be talking about the entity called as calcaneal spur. Calcaneus is a bone of the heel, and when you have a spur or the calcium deposition at that point, it is called as calcaneal spur. In Ayurveda, calcaneal spur can be related with Vata Kantaka or Pada Kantaka. Kantaka is nothing but thorn. So when the patient walks, you have a thorny feeling. So it is called as Vata Kantak. Now in this Vata Kantak, there are lots of other treatments, but out of the many treatments today, I will be telling you about the Dahan Karma. Dahan Karma in Vat Kantak can be done with Mritika Shalaka. Mritika is nothing but mud. So the different types of mud, what you get, black, red and the white mud from Gujarat, you have to just make a rod from that, and the rod is heated up to a point directly on the gas. You have to just lit it and make it hot, and where the patient has pain, that point you have to just burn it as shown in the photograph what I am doing. You have to just place it for around maybe 20 seconds to 30 seconds, as much as the patient can bear, and then remove it. After removing, you can place turmeric water. You can clean the part with turmeric water and honey, and then of course the exercises will take care of the other part. So this is the best remedy for calcaneal spur. This is one of the most effective treatment for calcaneal spur, but make sure that the patient is non-diabetic. All that we need is a Ita. Ita is a brick. So this is called as Ishtika Swedanam. So the brick is made red hot. It is put in an iron pan, and on that we can just pour Dashamularishta, Dashamul Kwatha, or even we can pour Tundulaka. Tundulaka is the rice water. So right now we will be showing you a demonstration of how we treat the patient of calcaneal spur with Ishtika Shalaka Swedanam.